How to withdraw cryptocurrencies on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw cryptocurrencies on Kraken. For this, open up any web browser and head over to kraken.com, or you can also open the Kraken app. Now on the home page, click on the transfer crypto option. Then over here, you want to click on the withdraw option. Go ahead and select the currency that you want. So from this drop-down menu, there are different options as Kraken supports over 200 assets. However, some assets such as Cody are only supported on the Ethereum network. So it is important to withdraw Cody from Kraken only to an Ethereum address, not on any other address. So now if you select any other such as USDC, there are many networks which are available. So you want to next select the network. Click on this drop-down menu and from here select your preferred network. It is important to send the asset to a wallet that supports it. So here I'm going to select USDT using the Polygon network. Next you want to add a withdrawal address to your Kraken account. So click on the Add Polygon Native Address option. Then over here you want to add the address description, then add the withdrawal address. You also want to add the memo over here. After you have entered all these details, click on the Add Withdrawal Address option. All these information can be found in your wallet, so go ahead and add them. Next, you will need to approve the withdrawal address by clicking a link which is automatically sent to your email. Once the address is approved, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, you want to click on the Withdraw USDC option. You want to review to confirm your withdrawal, then click on the Withdraw option. Now the withdrawal will be initiated and you can follow it with the status by clicking on the transactions option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.